In Nida, the quiet season, also called Šaktarpis, unveils a different rhythm, where the true patterns of life begin to reveal themselves. Once a symbol of bustling urban activity, the shopping cart in Nida has taken on an unexpected role. Since the dawn of humankind, the quest for survival has often revolved around the fundamental task of gathering food. At the heart of the struggle was the vessel, a simple tool that facilitated the transport and management of gathering. In Nida's history, boats have played a crucial role in survival, navigating the delicate balance between necessity and convention. Fishermen, in particular, exhibited remarkable ingenuity by navigating contentious waters with boldness and strategy, often employing fishing flags called vetrunges as a clever form of disguise to enter more lucrative fishing grounds.
Pirmas, ką jie pradėjo daryti, jie mažino ženklą. Iš toli tada fishmeisteriui yra sunkiau pamatyti, iš kur tu plauki, kas tu toks esi. Kita vertus, iš toli, įsivaizduokit, yra, taip kai žiūri, yra tada sunkiau pamatyti, kas ten per ženklas, kai čia aplinkui dar yra kažkokie tai dažyti siluetai.
But it wasn't just the fishermen who trespassed. Nida itself has been shaped by adaptation. Like the trees imported from distant lands to prevent the sand dunes from engulfing the town. We are now living in the third version of Nida, as previous settlements were lost to the relentless dunes. This artificial solution, though foreign, became essential for survival. Yet, even today, new forms of trespassing persist, taking on different shapes and challenges. The wind and the sea once determined life here, as did the seasonal rhythms of fishing. And even though it might sometimes feel alien, the progress of adaptation is vital for the survival. In Nida, the coexistence of outsiders and locals has created a rich, interwoven fabric of unity and codependency. Artists, drawn to the town's natural beauty and serene landscapes, bring fresh perspectives and creativity. Tourists let business flourish, while locals offer the deep-rooted traditions which sometimes can be just another clever way to survive. With these changes comes the increasing flow of tourists, but even this is intertwined with local life. The residents have adapted, opening their homes to visitors, renting out rooms, turning their gardens into shops. And yet, they quietly mark their own territory as a subtle reminder that this is still their home. This blending of external influence with local life fosters a unique synergy, where each group depends on the other. Artists draw inspiration from Nida's history and environment, while locals benefit from the cultural vibrancy and economic opportunities their presence brings. Together, they shape a harmonious coexistence that enriches the town's identity. The kinships in Nida are not just between people, but between the land, the sea, and the tools they use. They all speak to a deeper truth, Everything here is interconnected. Everything is part of the same fragile, artificial, yet resilient web of survival.